I want a kiss on his beautiful loaded forehead. See the way. See is the point which he raised. I love my son.
That if it is matter of my child, I will suggest that there should be a close communication and strong communication between parents and children.
Excellent,
that the children do not hesitate to communicate their feelings with their parents, so there will be no issue.
Mr. Samal.
Yes, sir. He raised the point that we should ask when you are going to marry or you have the feelings. We should ask one individually or personally.
Okay.
Before involving the families.
True.
I think that's the point that added to my knowledge.
Excellent. Please.
Sir, I'm agree with Mr. Adil.
Okay.
Got a new point for me.
Okay.
If you are away from your family,
okay,
you have to
that when you like someone, you send your parents.
Okay.
And if they are not agree, try to convince them.
Okay.
But not take the step of elopement.
Excellent. Elopement you're talking about. Okay.
And because this step is very harmful.
True.
And you have no chance to survive in the society.
Excellent. It is always bad, but it is embarrassing, as the man said,
when-
in all senses, no?
Yes.
It should be in a proper way.
Excellent.
Not just that they can.
So anything which you think that this is the thing which is new to me, which can add color to my life, which can help me in taking decision. You have taken decision, but it can help you know that as far as your children are concerned. No, clear. So anything which can help you in your coming life, any finding of yours from today's discussion, you can criticize it. That this was purely the waste of time. You can say, oh, did it cause the waste of your time, this session, or did it help you in getting some useful idea for your marriage or for the marriage of your children? The question is clear? Sure? Please.
Sir, I think the whole discussion revolves around the same point. Most of us agreed on the same point that we should not propose someone publicly. But the point the man raised that... Yes, sir.
Mr. Samal.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Samal, okay.
I think he raised the point that we should ask when you are going to marry or you have the feelings. We should ask one individually or personally.
Okay.
Before involving the families.
True.
I think that's the point that added to my knowledge.
Excellent. For involving the parents, it's we to make it sure that the person is ready.
Yes.
And we said that if you don't do it, or if you're not clear what the correct that person has or that family has, so it can cause rejection, and rejection will cause harm to that person. It can embarrass the family and that person.
And even it will cause and fall in the reputation of the family.
Please.
Sir, I'm agree with Mr. Adil.
Okay.
Got a new point for me.
Okay.
If you are away from your family,
okay,
you have to.
Oh, the man is leaving for the UK.
I have asked my family in England.
Okay, your family is living with okay, in the United Kingdom. True.
I'm not asking about myself, but it's a new idea. If you are abroad,
okay,
somewhere else, you away from your family,
okay,
you have to initiate. You have to propose yourself by yourself.
Okay.
But you have to tell first your family.
Okay.
That I'm doing my decision.
Okay, excellent. See, what is marriage? No, marriage is the first unit of the society. So I was talking about as marriage is the first unit of the society. This is the first institution of the society. So we should be very careful about that. No, if the first institution of the society is damaged, the whole society shall get damaged. No, that's why adultery is haram in Islam, is unlawful. No, we should always try to lead a legal life. And keep in mind that legal doesn't mean that the decisions of the elders always should prevail. Not at all. Not at all. No, this is the opinions of the children that is to be given importance. I'm saying again. Opinion or the consent of the children is to be given the priority. It's way to convince the parents. No, excellent. Please.
Sir, actually, we are living in society. We have to tell our parents importantly, because if we don't tell our parents,
okay,
it becomes big matter.
True, excellent, better. True. Again, it's good. Keep in mind, it is very good. Actually, our society, it has 50% positive features in this regard. But what is the negative? That the parents, most of the parents in our society, unfortunately, they are not in the habit of getting consent of the children. That is bad. Otherwise, it's very good to take your parents with you. They should be that they are the participants of the decision. They should be supportive. They should be helpers in a sense. Please.
Sir, don't be afraid from conversation with your parents.
Excellent.
Based on marriage.
Very good,
marriage life.
Okay. So you mean when you feel that this is the right person to marry, so express it.
Express it.
Before your parents.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So go to your parents, express your feelings.
Okay.
To them, and if truly they can agree with your feelings,
okay,
and they do something for you.
Excellent. You better.
The first thing that just came into my mind, that if a person likes a person, first you should think that am I personally convinced? Personally think about it. Take your time, not just take a quick decision. First take your time and think about it.
Very good.
That you have to spend your whole life with that person, and every thick and thin will come into your life.
Excellent.
And can you bear that person, or can you spend your life with that person?
I want a kiss on his beautiful loaded forehead. See the way. See is the point which he raised. I love my son. See that it's we to convince ourselves first of all. Are you convinced? Are you serious? If you are, then initiate the talk. No, he seems very serious, mashallah. I love you, my son.
Exactly.
Please.
Sir, one thing I learned that when you like someone, you send your parents,
Okay.
and if they are not agree, try to convince them.
Okay.
But not take the step of elopement.
Excellent. Elopement you're talking about, okay?
And because this step is very harmful.
True.
And you have no chance to survive in the society.
Excellent. It is always bad, but it is embarrassing,
bad.
as the man
No,
said, no?
then-
In all senses, no?
Yes.
Should we marry after that? Then what to do? Then whose decision should now prevail?
Try to convince your parents.
Convince and keep convincing. Okay.
So what I got to know new about that when we have to approach someone
Okay.
or someone's family,
Okay.
we have to take a formal way, a way that nobody get embarrassed.
Excellent.
It should be in a proper way,
Excellent.
not just that they can hurt their feelings.
Okay. I love you, my son. How clear now the thoughts are, mashallah. Credit goes to Dr. Omar. Dr. Omar, as usual. Please. And you know that Omar is the name. That is my weakness, no? I love this name. Please.
Thank you, sir. Prefer the parents' opinion.
Okay.
And also prefer your opinion because
Okay.
it's life
Okay.
matter.
True.
And last I add one sentence: as you so shall you.
Excellent.
If you respect your elder and parents, so your
Excellent.
child
True.
also respect you.
True. So again, that is again there's a mutual understanding that giving priority to your opinion and then giving priority to the opinion of your parents is a very tough task. No, the time is not there. Otherwise, we would discuss this question as well. But it's a great environment. No, that respect and be respected,
Be respected.
love and be loved. No, and as you and beautifully he just quoted that English proverb: "As you sow, so shall you reap." No, excellent. Just above, okay. That's a cartoon. Excellent. Please.
Sir, got idea from the whole conversation that
इतनी हाल से तो लेट हो गया और गौर खुदा द पहले पतले. Okay. Please.
that if it is matter of my child, I will suggest that there should be a close communication and strong communication between parents and children. That
Excellent,
the
beta.
children do not hesitate to communicate their feelings
Okay.
with their parents.
Excellent.
And so there will be no issue
Excellent.
to convince their parents because there will be a matter of trust between both.
Very good, my daughter. MashaAllah. So you are again, you support this, know that the relationship should be developed in an ideal way. That the children should not know that have any kind of fear. They should not get afraid. Know that whatever they feel, they should be, they should have liberty, to express their feelings, in front of their parents. Otherwise, it will cause embarrassment of the children and the parents.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Really, I learnt a lot from these young minds. After that, the nikah is to take place. The next question, you know what's that? That the nikah ceremony, how should it be held? Come with the convincing ideas. See you tomorrow, inshallah.